Nature's really healing. It interacts with you. I think that's because nature is one of the things that will always remain untouched, yet it is. It exists within the world to be created, but it also just exists. And it creates with humans. It's our get back to your root system. It's our remember who you are, who your soul is inside reminder. It has its own language. And it speaks to everyone. .313. Nature is the Earth's network of connection. Humans are the soul. The souls that come and interact to connect with each other. Nature is the foundation and our base. It's our safety. It naturally comforts us. You want to bite me? Ouch! Just got annihilated by a red ant.